nhất xa sẽ hơi chính em mà đem cái chính nhập
Hằng nghe lại phim ngay sẽ
bác có bài bên nghe nơi thì bro chính em nhìn hấp xin nhau cái tay pop bác cầm bà bà chungi
ki khubor ka batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya
UMLI kemoring Kren constituency ba Livingstone Kharapran ulawan rai kamat Kren hayin dorba thawan ke jilla halo ke jingyo bat kiseng bhalang hamoring Kren higi brig bla suba bakila bande na Bangladesh hindi gide kita ki brig yo ek police report na Silchar tama kimnang par ban Kren Hindi lani ban Kren Assamese ba kita ki brig bemut ban lait bela she is 20 hers kimdan ni kele bela senru hindi ki yo hading katuk ani kenta bagi syabat hagi pulet Halo ke new ba Kharapran labu jengli ke Silchar Hato ke Mrssa la Treikam ne em bar ke kilar klenti ke ba Silchar klashim banlat ne ki bakum kini ki jingja Haba jubab ya kene usembut midrang ba ba preston tensong ulong ba Silchar klashim bon kilar klenti ban pen klan ki jingpet ngor bat ki briu ki badan jing suba ba ki de ki bari bat ladan ru ndrus pa stan hu prangut ki bla syakem bat shispa kanai pusangut kiblapan Paino sa Bangladesh hadim biglapan dep ikajing syong patok karkum kapor palabo.
We come to item number 2, calling attention tabled by Sri Livingstone Kharapran, MLA, under Rule 54(1) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to the news item published in U Maupur, dated 30th January 2026 under the caption Dhaka Police Report na Silchar yo room ki khar Bangladeshi sa Modern Kren. Sri Livingstone Kharapran, MLA, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I arise under the Rule 50, Sub-Rule 1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of the Akas House to call the attention of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home to the disturbing report published in Maupur dated 17 December 2025. Not 30th, sir, not 30th January, but it is 17 December 2025 in Maupur. This is regarding the arrest of around 10 suspected Bangladeshi nationals and Modern Kren who were reported on their way to work in East Cheche Hills. So as per the report, these people were carrying police verification documents from Silchar, Assam, and claimed to be residents of Assam. However, it is very alarming, sir, that none of them can either speak Assamese or Hindi. That is the report. At the time of investigation, they did not have labor license, valid labor license. Even more concerning is that the labor licenses were issued within a few hours after police verification, raising question on the robustness of our verification system. So, Meghalaya is a border state, international border, and such dissident really demand the urgent need for strict enforcement of existing protective laws. As you know, the last few months, there was political instability in the neighborhood country. That's why this incident has taken place. We never know in future, whenever there is political instability in the neighborhood, take place again. If the government could have implemented Mrssa, this could have helped to monitor and regulate the entry and stay of the non-residents. I thank the concerned NGO, HYDC, Modern Kren, for this particular incident that have detected these people. So I want to seek some clarification from the government whether this Mrssa is being enforced or not, or to be enforced in future. Number two, what are steps being taken to strengthen labor license verification, including coordination with other state or neighbor state. I open the government to act decisively so that such incident will not happen again. This is my submission, sir. Thank you.
Minister in charge to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the outset, I take this opportunity to thank the honourable member of this August House, Shri Heavenstone Karpran,
Deputy Speaker.
Honourable MLA from Kren constituency for tabling this calling attention notice under Rule 54.1 of the Rules of Procedure on Conduct of Business under the caption Dhaka Police Report na Silchar Yok Room Ki Khar Bangladesh Shamarang. Dhaka Police Report na Silchar Yok Room Ki Khar Bangladesh Shamarang Kren. Sir, on the 15 December 2025, information was received from the President of the Hinyautrep Youth Development Council that some persons suspected to be illegal migrants were detained in a vehicle at Thang Shalai Bypass, Maurung Keneng, East Kasils District. On receipt of the information, police personnel from Maurung Keneng Police Station were immediately deputed to the spot to conduct inquiry and take necessary action. Sir, upon inquiry, it was found that 7 persons, along with the driver of the tourist vehicle, bearing registration number ML11B 7533, had been detained by members of HYDC. These persons stated that they were residents of the Hubri district, Assam, and were travelling to Sokilo, East Janti Hills for work at a construction site. Mr. Speaker, sir, the police verified their identity documents and it was established that all 7 persons are Indian citizens. Though they were initially unable to produce their labour licenses, the matter was verified with the Labour Department, which confirmed that all the concerned labourers possess valid labour licenses issued through the concerned contractor. On completion of due verification, all the detained persons were released. Sir, it was also reported that the driver of the vehicle and some of the labourers were allegedly assaulted during the incident, for which medical treatment was provided at Maurung Keneng CHC. Subsequently, a written FIR was received from the President Yatli Lang Driver Association, and a case has been registered at Maurung Keneng Police Station under relevant provisions of the PNS, and investigation is presently underway. Sir, I would like to inform this August House that to address the challenge of illegal migration and recognizing the need for robust border and internal security management, the government has put in place a comprehensive and multi-layered anti-infiltration mechanism through the Anti-Infiltration Directorate and the district police units. Sir, at present, 18 anti-infiltration checkposts, check gates and land custom stations are operational at strategic locations along the interstate and Indo-Bangladesh borders. These are supplemented by anti-infiltration special squads functioning in all districts, which regularly conduct anti-infiltration drives, surprise Naga checks and patrolling in vulnerable areas, in close coordination with the Labour Department, village defence parties and the local authorities. Sir, 11 district task forces have been constituted across the state to detect and deport illegal foreign nationals through regular checking and coordinated enforcement involving other departments. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, these sustained measures have resulted in significant detections and enforcement outcomes from 2021 till 3 to 2026. A total of 658 Bangladeshi nationals were detected in the state and prosecuted under relevant legal provisions. During the same period, 194 Bangladeshi nationals were deported after completion of their sentence and upon obtaining the requisite travel permit from the Bangladesh Embassy. Sir, the government has further constituted a state-level committee to monitor detection, identification and deportation of overstaying foreigners in the state. Also, to address concerns regarding illegal migrants influx, the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016 has been made operational in selected localities of East Kasils district. Moreover, provisions of the Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025, BNS, and the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, are strictly followed to combat illegal immigration. Sir, the government also appeals to all organizations and citizens to cooperate with the authorities and allow verification to be carried out through lawful means, so that genuine Indian citizens are not harassed, and at the same time ensuring that illegal infiltration is firmly dealt with in accordance with the relevant provisions of law. Sir, with these few words, I once again take this opportunity to thank the honourable member for tabling this calling attention notice. With these few words, sir, I resume my seat.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.